very, very much from the entire City Council and the Mayor. And because of that, we have a proclamation for you from the City of Santee, California. Proclamation, whereas volunteers are essential to the well-being of our community, state, and nation. Whereas volunteers are among the heroes who beautify parks, schools, and important facilities, serve the underserved, provide assistance in times of need, and fill many important functions within our communities. And whereas Mormon Helping Hands is an international program sponsored by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints to provide volunteer community service and disaster relief throughout the world. We are very fortunate in the City of Santee to have people like this. I mean, this is phenomenal. If we were to put a dollar figure on something like this, what it would cost the city, it's probably $20,000, $30,000 worth of work that they're going to be doing for us in volunteer efforts.
The greatest honor of working for Senator Joel Anderson is the opportunity I have to recognize individuals and groups of people that are working hard to make our community a better place. With that, I'd like to present this certificate to the Helping Hands for all their outstanding volunteerism. Congratulations, and again, on behalf of State Senator Joel Anderson, thanks.
Today is April 28th and it's the Mormon Helping Hands. My name is Amanda Nelson and I am helping out with clearing the trail. We have our little helpers out here helping too, just clearing the trail, ready to go, and just making Santee look beautiful for everybody.
We're cutting out the primrose. It's an invasive plant that'll cover the whole pond if we don't cut it out. Not an easy job. It's a man labor job. You got to get down and get dirty and muddy and wet to pull it out. There's a whole lot of it out there. If we don't clean it out, it'll cover the whole pond before the summer's over.
See, there's a lot of people working and we're having a lot of fun. We've been working on clearing the trail, painting the bridge, tearing down some old concrete bleachers, resurfacing the trail. So it's a lot of fun, and we've enjoyed working with some of our community members, the Rotary, the Kiwanis, some other churches, so it's been a great event.